In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks natively inside ChatGPT. 2026 Full Guide. First, connect your everyday work apps so ChatGPT can route data without extra middleware. On desktop, move to the bottom left corner, click your profile initials or name badge, then open the settings gear. In settings, choose connectors or connected apps. Find tools like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Notion, Slack, or Gmail, and click Connect. Follow the sign-in prompts to authorize secure tokens so ChatGPT can read and write under your direction. Use the least access you need, confirm any organizational policies, and avoid sharing sensitive credentials in chats. With connections live, you can trigger multi-app actions right from the prompt box using plain language. For example, analyze the unread project update emails from a specific client domain received over the last 24 hours via my connected Gmail account. Summarize the changes, extract active deliverables into a clean markdown checklist, and send that checklist as a direct message to our team's updates channel in Slack. Clear instructions about time ranges, sources, and destinations help ChatGPT execute across tools precisely. When you're building more complex rules or scripts, switch to Canvas mode. Type /canvas along with your goal, such as open an automation canvas, draft a Python automation script using the Playwright library to log into an authorized data portal, scrape the latest transaction rows, filter duplicates, and append the clean metrics to an uploaded tracking spreadsheet. Add inline comments explaining how to swap login variables. Your screen splits, conversation, and refinement on the left, a fully editable code block on the right. Always ensure you have permission to automate or scrape any system you access. Inside Canvas, refine code in place. Highlight a function or filter, click the floating Ask ChatGPT bubble, and request targeted changes, like refactor this collection function to add error handling. If the site fails to load or times out, wait 30 seconds and retry 3 times before raising a hard error. In the bottom right tool menu, use Add Comments or Logs to document loops, fix bugs to resolve syntax and runtime issues, and adjust length to compress overly verbose sections. To test safely, use the built-in code interpreter. Click Run or Execute on the code block to launch an isolated container. Run your script against uploaded sample files and watch the live terminal log. Validate filters, calculations, and outputs before downloading or deploying. If a later prompt breaks something, open the version history clock in the Canvas header. Compare drafts side by side and restore a clean working state. For quick start prompts, try analyze this uploaded raw CSV marketing report, write and execute Python to flag incomplete email rows, total conversions, and export a summary PDF. Or audit my connected Google Calendar for next Tuesday, find open blocks between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m., and draft a personalized invitation email via Gmail. Or Flash Canvas, write a modular Python script with beautiful soup and requests to pull public product pricing and format it as JSON. And that's it. Pairing trusted connectors with Canvas editing and the Safe Code Interpreter sandbox lets you eliminate tedious tasks and run daily workflows on autopilot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.